Ready to revolutionize your vlogging game and turn the world into your personal film set? Meet the BMUUPY Magnetic POV Vlog Phone Neck Mount Holder, the ultimate gadget for the iPhone-toting storyteller who never wants to miss a shot. Imagine this, you're navigating the wilds of your local supermarket, hands-free, narrating a gripping tale of the quest for the last box of your favorite cereal. This isn't just any phone holder, it's a wearable marvel that snugly cradles your iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, Pro Mini Plus, Pro Max, making multitasking not just possible, but stylishly easy. This BMUUPY mount isn't just magnetic, it's like a love story between your phone and the holder, ensuring a secure, unbreakable bond that won't let your device fall, even if you're reenacting your favorite action scenes. This BMUUPY mount isn't just magnetic, it's like a love story between your phone and the holder, ensuring a secure, unbreakable bond that won't let your device fall, even if you're reenacting your favorite action scenes. The adjustable neck design is so comfortable you might even forget you're wearing it until you catch your epic selfie angle in the reflection of a toaster at the electronics store. Whether you're a vlogger on the go, a budding filmmaker, or just someone who likes to live stream every moment of petting every dog you meet, this neck mount transforms your mobile into a hands-free operations station. It's perfect for capturing those first-person views that really draw your audience into your world, or at least into your quest through crowded aisles and epic parking lot journeys. So, grab the BMUUPY Magnetic POV Vlog Phone Neck Mount Holder today and start your journey from casual phone user to master of mobile media. Who knows, your next grocery run could go viral.